show you how to put this Jeep together. First, we have to connect the batteries. Next, we're gonna put on the tire. Next, we're gonna put the washer and the book. See this right here? The blue part? We're gonna put it outside. We need this tool to tighten it. Since all the tires are on, now we're gonna put the front bumper. Next, we're gonna put the back seat. Now we're gonna put the back support. The same thing for the back. Put the spare tire.